It's known as the nodding bird, and the only place you can find it is near the Diamond Lake. I learned the best time to find the bird was in the winter, when the hills are covered with snow, so I started my quest by climbing the hill. It was so cold, I had to clap my hands to keep them warm. I didn't find any sign of the bird, but I did find a cave. I was brave enough to explore the inside of the cave. Luckily, there were no bats at the top of the cave, but I came outside to find a baseball diamond. It was so fun watching the game, as the player on the first base had an argument with the player on the third base. So, since I was at the lake, I decided to take out a boat to look for the nodding bird. Unfortunately, there was no wind, and the boat hardly moved. My family must have felt sorry for me because the next thing I knew, they came alongside in a speedboat. The speedboat took me quickly away, where I was met by a giant bird. "Oh, could you be the bird that can nod its head?" I asked.